Alright guys, so welcome back. This is the Power Acoustik MOFO. I'm hoping I can get everything here on the dyno at the same time. I'm hoping to get 1303 watts. Now I'm not trying to blow the speaker. I just did another video of this. I got a little bit more power than that in the video. I'm doing this actually for a... Whoa, for a subscriber. It just vibrated. That 1367, 3.2 ohms. I'm doing this for a subscriber request. I think I can get a little bit more. Maybe I'll shoot another one after this. Alright guys, peace!